So dear students, welcome to Divya English Speaking Academy online class. As you are joining from different states and all of you have introduced yourself. So if you want to introduce yourself very quickly, you just can tell your name, your state name, and how old are you and which class do you study. Four things.
My name is Purvi. I am from Panipat, Haryana. I am 9 years old. I study in 5th class.
Ashika.
My name is Ashika. I am from Panipat, Haryana. I am 9 years old. I study 5th class.
My name is Kushal. I am from Panipat, Haryana. I am 7 years old. I study in 3rd standard.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anushka Sharta. I am from Bangalore. My school name is Gitanjali Olympiad School and I study in 2nd class.
Very good.
Tasneem. I am from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I am 7 years old. My name is Devanshi Shekhawat. I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur. I am 9 years old. I am in 5th class.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ashwar. I am from Jharkhand. I am 6 years old. I study in 2nd class. My school name is Obijindasul.
Oh,
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Aradhana. I am studying 2nd class. I am 7.5 years old. My school name is Shanti School.
very good. You are speaking good English now maybe. Our today's topic is called vowel sounds. 5 vowels have 22 sounds. So we will study the sounds of the vowels one by one. And you have to see there on the screen and respond. Some of you have to respond very quick because I will be asking you. So let's go to our lesson. Number 1. Vowel A has 5 sounds. O, A, A. Sorry, O, A, A, O. Anushka, how many sounds vowel A has?
Sir, 5.
What are they?
A.
Very good. Now number 1. Vowel A has sound O. That means wherever vowel A is there, it has one sound O. We have to identify in which word vowel A is giving sound O. For example, call. C-A-L-L. Call. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. What is A? Vowel. What is the sound coming? The sound of the vowel coming here? Because it has 5 sounds. Small, fall, tall, hall. Fine. Second one. Vowel A has A sound. This is called confusion in reading English or pronouncing English words. The reason is that one vowel has different sounds. Sometimes we forget to remember how to use it. So we have to learn it very systematically. Vowel A has sound A. Second sound A. Example: C-A-R, car. F-A-R, far. Ask, afternoon. Fine. Number 3. Vowel A has sound A. Aradhana, what is number 3 sound?
A.
Not A. 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 Vowel A has sound
Sir,
A. Very good. Example: C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. F-A-T, fat. T-H-A-T, that. Next, number 4. Vowel A has sound A, small a. The sound small a. A. Example: P-A-Y, pay. S-A-Y, say. C-L-A-Y, clay. D-A-Y, day. B-R-A-I-N, brain, brain. Number 5. Vowel A has sound A-O, A-O. Example, C-A-R-E, care. E is silent at last. E has no sound there. C-A-R-E, care. S-H-A-R-E, share. D-A-R-E, dare. Now, yes, Purbi will repeat it. Purbi, go ahead. Repeat. Vowel
A sound have 5 sounds. A vowel have 5 sounds. Number 1, A. Call, ball, all, small, fall, stall, hall. A sound. Second, car, far, father, ask, afternoon, A sound. Cat, rat, mat, cat, rat, hat, pat, dat, chapter. A sound. Pay, say, clay, may, ray, brain, main, brain. A sound. Care, share, dare, mere, rare.
Let's clap for Purvi. Let's clap for Purvi. All students, good. Very good job. Nice learning. Let's go to next. Vowel A sound finished. 5 vowels are there. A sound finished. Let's come to next. Vowel E. All the students look at there. Vowel E. Now second vowel is E. Let's see here. Vowel E has mainly 2 sounds. One sound is A, another sound is E. I repeat again. Vowel Vowel E has 2 sounds. Sound number 1 A, sound number 2 E. Dinya also listen carefully. Vowel E has 2 sounds. Sound number 1 A, sound number 2 E. Example. Number 1, vowel E sound A, small sound A. Example, N-E-T, net, C-E-N-T, cent, V-E-G, wig, K-E-C-K, kick, L-E-S-S, less, A, small A, E. Vowel E sound coming A, small. Number 2, vowel E has sound E. Make sure that don't sit in the noisy place. Vowel E has 2 sounds. Sorry. Second one, E, H-E, he, S-H-E, she, W-E, we, V-E, we. 2 small sounds. One is called A, another one is called E. Both of them are small sounds. Both of them are small. Example I already gave here. Now, if there is double E, it has E sound, long E. Then you listen carefully. Otherwise, you can ask to your mom, because this is very basic language. Learning English language from very basic itself. Number 2, vowel E has long sound. Which kind of E? Double E. Where there is double E, always sound will be long, E, long E. Example, S-E-E, C, B-E-E, B, W-E-E-P, beep, not beep, beep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, when are you sleeping, deep, fine, sweep, S-W-E-E-P, sweep. What is the meaning of sweep, Kushan?
Sir, झाड़ू करना.
Very good.
Like.
Yeah. Very good. Sweep on the floor with broom. Sweep on the floor with broom. For
Mommy, we need to sweep on the roof because there is a spider.
very good. Next, number 4. Vowel E and A. Listen carefully. If vowel E and A coming together, then also sound is small e. Number 4. If there is A with E, both vowels, 2 vowels coming together, sound will be small. Example, S-E-A-C, fine, P-E-A-P, B-E-A-T, beat, M-E-A-T, meet, M-E-N, mean, C-H-E-A-T, cheat. But that small is little small, little, not much difference. Next, number 5, E silent rule, which is very, very important. Very important. E silent rules. You have to learn it and listen very carefully. E silent rules. When E will be silent. Number 1, if there is A in any English word, E at last, E will be silent. If there is A, I, O, U and E is at last, in any English word, if you find A, E, I, O, U and E is and before is A, E, I, O, U, so E will be silent. Example number 1, here is A, N-A-M-E, name. A is here, E is at last, E is silent. S-A-M-E, same. S-H-A-M-E, shame. L-A-M-E, lame. Number 2, E silent after I. If there is I in any English word, at the end there is E, so E will be silent. But I sound will come as a I. L-I-N-E, line. N-I-N-E, nine. F-I-L-E, file. File. E is at last but E has no sound. Fa-I-L, file. I giving sound here I. L-I-M-E, lime. Number 3, E silent after O. If there is O in any English word or at the end there is E, so E will be silent. Example, H-O-P-E, not hope, hope, hope. H-O-P-E, hope. J-O-K-E, joke. N-O-S-E, nose. R-O-S-E, rose. E silent after U. If there is U in any English word or at end there is E, E will be silent. Example, R-U-L-E, rule. J-U-N-E, June. R-U-D-E, root. Fine. Number 6, if E and W is together, it has a sound U. Example, D-E-W, dew. F-E-W, few. N-E-W, new. D-R-E-W, drew. B-L-E-W, blue. So we have finished 2 vowel sounds, vowel A and vowel E. So now, yeah, Kushan.
Sir, you want to tell us any vowel E. Vowel E will come in last of the word.
It will be
In
silent.
any vowel, it will be silent. It should be hope.
No, 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 no. Wait. Not like that.
Like that.
Not like that. Listen now carefully. If in any English word, I repeat it again. If any English word there is A, E, I, O, U and at end there is E, then E will be always silent. When? If in that word there is used A, I, O, U and at end there is used E, then it will remain silent. It will have no sound. Example, here is A, at the end E, no sound. I and E, no sound. O, at the end E, no sound. U, at the end E, no sound. So what we are learning? We are learning the silent rule of E. What is the silent rule of E? If any English word there is A, I, O, U, A, I, O, U in any English word and at the end there is E, E will remain the silent. We should not pronounce the E. This is what I am trying to explain. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anushka will tell now 4 E silent 4 rules. Little quick.
Yes, sir. First silent rule. Silent after a, name, same, shame. Sir, what is written in last?
L-A-M-E, lame.
Lame. Second silent rule. Silent after I, line, Line, file, line. Third silent rule. Silent after O, hope, joke, nose, rose. Fourth silent rule. Silent after U, rule, June, rude.
Very good. Very good. Aradhana, did you understand?
Yes,
Sir?
sir.
Kushan,
Sir?
did you understand?
I can. Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. Can you tell me the four silent rules?
I am student. E silent root and end. One E silent after A E O U.
Very
Number
good.
one E silent after A.
Very good.
Example name, shame, name.
Hmm.
Second rule E silent after I. Line, nine, file, line. Third rule E silent after O. Hope, joke, nose, rose. Fourth rule E silent after U. Examples rule, rule, rule. Like that. That's it, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions up to here?
No, sir.
Purvi, did you
I,
understand?
my turn. I have one question. I have already asked
Ask
to
the
you.
question.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Purvi, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Aradhana, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
And Devanshi, did you understand?
Yes, sir.